प्रशासकीय फायली व्हिडिओ कॉन्फरन्सिंगाच्या माध्यमांतल्यान फुडें वचूंक शकनात। घटनेत तशी तजवीज ना। मुख्यमंत्र्याचे गैरहजेरीत 3 मंत्री राज्याचो कारभार पळयतले ते मस्किटियर्स। खरें म्हणल्यार फायली कायद्या प्रमाणच फुडें वचूंक जाय म्हूण प्रदेश काँग्रेसीन मुख्यमंत्री पर्रीकाराच्या काम चलाऊ प्लानाचेर प्रस्नचिन्ह केलां।
Instead of one chief minister, Goa will be ruled by 3 chief ministers. That is the arrangement made by the chief minister who has left Goa for his treatment. We wish him all the best in getting necessary medical aid. But he has deserted Goa and gone, keeping 3 members as virtually 3 ministers. And that is because he does not trust anybody. It's very clear. Files move as per rules of business of government of Goa, starting with director up to chief minister. Now, for this purpose, rules of business of government of Goa has been modified, changed, amended, without which this structure cannot exist. How the file will go interchange with these 3 people, anybody knows? So therefore, this is a fraud on the administration. If government want to do video conferencing for disposal of files, who will sign those files for the purpose of understanding a matter, understanding a view? For disposal of serious matters, files, etc., video conferencing is no solution. Files up to 50 lakhs will be disposed of by the minister themselves, and files up to 5 crores by these 3 musketeers, should I call them.
Give a break.